This video will show you how to use the Format Painter tool from Microsoft Word 2010. The Format Painter tool is a copy and paste button that just copies and pastes formatting without the text. It works in a slightly different way depending on if you single or double click the Format Painter tool. This video will show the difference between the two methods. The Format Painter tool is the paintbrush located in the clipboard section of the top toolbar. I have opened a sample text and table that is not yet finished. Let's say I would like the subtitle word cookies to have the same font and color as the title, Smith's Bakery. I would click anywhere on Smith's Bakery that has the same format that I want, then single click on the Format Painter paintbrush. Now I bring my cursor back to where I want to copy the formatting. I put my cursor at the beginning of the word and I click and hold the mouse, drag it across the word cookies, and when I get to the end I release the mouse button and the format has been copied. When single clicking on the Format Painter brush, I can only copy the format a single time. If I would double click on the Format Paintbrush, then I can copy the format repeatedly. Let me give you an example. Let's say I need to copy the format of the word item to several different places. I would single click on the word item, now double click on Format Painter, and then I can click, hold, highlight, and drag when I get to the end of the word, release the mouse button, and it copied the formatting. Also note that it copied the fact that I would like this word centered. I can keep doing this repeatedly as many times as I want in the document. When I am done copying the format, it is important to return back to the Format Painter paintbrush and single click to turn it off. This is important so that you can return to having the normal cursor and continue working on your document.